Monitoring and alerting phrases for runbooks, from alerts to action. Great monitoring isn't about noise, it's about decisions. The goal is to turn alerts into clear actions, so anyone on call knows exactly what to do next, not just what went wrong. Planned steps reduce panic when things break, because you're following a path, not improvising under pressure. Solid runbooks make responses consistent and reliable across teams and time zones. Imagine waking up to an alert that literally tells you what to check first, who to call, and how to stabilize traffic. That's the difference between chaos and calm, and it's how you protect customers, revenue, and sleep. Every alert should say exactly what it's about. Start by naming the signal and source. Is it a metric like CPU saturation, a log error rate, or a trace latency spike? Next, define the threshold and duration clearly. P95 latency greater than 800 milliseconds for 5 minutes beats latency is high. Then state severity and business impact in plain language. SEV2, checkout delays, 5 to 10% users affected, revenue at risk. Specifics turn an alert from a mystery into a map. If someone brand new can understand it in 10 seconds, you wrote it right. Handle both perspectives. First, what users see: slow checkout, timeouts, or missing emails. Then, what systems show: high database CPU, rising error rates, or queue backlog. Convert symptoms into hypotheses by listing likely root causes in order of probability. 1. DB connection pool exhaustion. 2. Downstream payment API slowness. 3. Bad cache invalidation. Finally, check recent changes or deploys first. They're often the culprit. A tidy list keeps you focused. Test the most probable cause, gather evidence, and move quickly to the next. Your first minute should prioritize safety and signal. Start with immediate safety steps. Scale out a hot service, roll back a risky release, or disable a feature flag to reduce user impact. Use a quick triage checklist, confirm service health checks, scan key dashboards, latency, errors, saturation, and validate dependencies are reachable. Time box the initial response. Decide what you'll finish in the first 5 to 10 minutes. Stabilize traffic, collect logs, and pick the next hypothesis. This keeps you from spinning and gets you to a confident, reversible action fast. Make your runbook a decision tree with clear if-then paths. If error rate greater than 5% and queue depth rising, then throttle writes. If latency normalizes, roll forward. Tie decisions to metrics or logs, not gut feel. Assign a clear owner and on-call contacts so there's no confusion at 3 a.m. Escalate by time and impact. If SEV2 persists greater than 10 minutes or impacts revenue, page database on call. If greater than 20 minutes, engage incident commander. This structure removes guesswork and keeps response aligned with customer impact. Prove the fix worked before celebrating. Define how to confirm the fix using key metrics: latency, error rate, saturation, and user journeys. Can a test user complete checkout? Set rollback/roll forward criteria up front. Roll back if errors don't drop within 5 minutes. Roll forward if the patch reduces latency by 30% with no side effects. Decide when to close the incident. Stability holds for 2 full monitoring windows. Status page reflects recovery, and stakeholders acknowledge normal operations. Clear exit criteria prevent premature victory laps and lingering risks. Write messages you can paste under pressure. A clean, one-line status update. Incident SEV2. Checkout latency increased. Mitigation in progress. Next update in 10 minutes. Use customer-facing language that's empathetic and simple. Some purchases are slower than usual. We're working to restore normal speed. Use internal phrasing for detail and jargon. P95 greater than ones. DB connections saturated. Rolling back 2.14.3. Define frequency and channels. Incident room every 5 to 10 minutes. Status page every 20 to 30 minutes. Exec updates on major milestones. Predictability builds trust. Turn lessons into leverage. Add examples and known good queries so responders can copy, run, and interpret quickly. Build guardrails and auto-remediation where safe. Autoscale rules, circuit breakers, or automatic rollbacks when error budgets breach. After each incident, run a quick review to capture what worked, what confused people, and which alerts were noisy. Tune thresholds, add missing dashboards, and retire noisy alerts that never drive action. Over time, your system becomes quieter, your runbooks sharper, and your team faster and calmer under pressure.